Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to Spell Well program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I am Jai Pranita, working as mathematics teacher in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Pakpatla. What about yourself?
Myself is A. Siddharth from 6th class. I am studying in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan School, Pakpatla. My father name is Naresh. He is car driver. My mother name is Swapna. She is homemaker.
Okay, are you ready for this Spell Well program?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
All the best for your competition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your first word is diversity.
D-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y.
Very good. Continent.
C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T.
Very good. Cultivating.
C-U-L-T-V-A-T-I-N-G.
You're wrong. Communication.
C-O-M-M-U-U-N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N.
You're wrong. Humus.
H-U-M-U-S.
Very good. Activities.
A-C-T-I-V-I-T-I-E-S.
Very good. Completely.
C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-L-Y.
Very good. Depending.
D-E-P-E-N-D-I-N-G.
Very good. Happened.
H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D.
Okay. Learning.
L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G.
Very good. Boundary.
B-O-U-N-D-A-R-Y.
Very good. Construction.
C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N.
Very good. Factor.
F-A-C-T-O-R.
Very good. Horizontal.
H-O-R-I-Z-A-N-T-A-L.
You're wrong. International.
I-N-T-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L.
Very good. Furniture.
F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E.
Very good. Approach.
A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H.
Very good. California.
C-A-L-I-F-O-R-N-I-A.
Very good. Describe.
D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E.
Very good. Magazine.
M-E-G-A-Z-I-N-E.
You're wrong. Now your GK questions. Which color symbolizes peace?
White.
Very good. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Okay, your time is up. Which planet is known as red planet?
Mars.
Very good. Which is the highest mountain in the world?
Mountain Everest.
Mount Everest. Very good. When do we celebrate World Health Day?
April 7th.
Okay, very good. How did you feel about this program?
I felt very happy about this program. This is very useful to us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank